Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, even though the markets are not, well, they had a good start, but right now, not so great. But yeah, we'll do a full update on Fetch today. Fetch has been holding on relatively well. I mean, it's basically at the same level as yesterday morning. But the situation, I must say, is still very, very similar as to yesterday. And I'm calling it Fetch still, but I should probably call it ASI. But I'm waiting for everything to kind of have changed. Like right now, it still looks like Fetch on TradingView. It's still called FET on CoinMarketCap. At least the ticker. The name is Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, of course. But yeah, I'll switch it to ASI very soon. But I even think in my thumbnail it's like the Fetch logo still. So sorry for that. But no, the situation right now for Fetch, because that's obviously much more important, is that we are bearish, I would say. All right, we had nice momentum not yesterday, but last week. Twice actually, or no, it was the last 2 weeks we actually had good momentum. Started actually, no, I mean it started on different days, but that's what we're waiting for. All right, we're waiting for momentum to kick in, and right now for the last week already, we've just been bearish, and we are losing momentum. We are losing open interest, or at least the open interest is decreasing, which means that positions are being closed. And we had slight optimism, of course, on the 30th, and that's also a Sunday when I also opened the position. But that just turned into a bit of a bearish confirmation right here at 1.5, and after that the same old continued. So what we are waiting for, and I do think we have a chance to do that, right? If you zoom out to the daily time frame, what you'll see is that this is a downtrend. All right, so even with those spikes we had in the last 2 weeks, it's still a downtrend. But we have a strong support level coming up right here between 1.2 and $1. And I think that level has potential, all right? I mean, in general, at any point of time, we could turn around here. We could get a bullish breakout and gain momentum, and then all of a sudden we're bullish. But when we're talking about levels where I think it's more likely for something like that to happen, I'm looking at that level between 1.2 and $1. You can also see on the 3-day time frame, especially at $1, we have significant support. But no, that's what I'm waiting for. All right, I'm waiting for those levels to hit, or either those levels to hit, or for us to just gain momentum. And until that happens, it's most likely we're going to drop down. All right, I mean, if we're just losing momentum here, if the higher time frame structure is bearish, the lower time frame structure right now is also bearish, it is just best to assume that we're going to drop down into 1.15 and 1.1. That's the first support level, and then into $1. All right, so I will keep you updated on this, but in general, the main thing to focus on is the open interest. Open interest is dropping down now. What needs to happen is we need to gain some momentum, which means that new positions have to be opened, and then we have to get one bullish breakout or something to get some confirmation, and then we can rally. But honestly, summer in crypto, these markets in general, just not great. All right, so it's going to be tough, and that's also why I'm telling you, I don't really think that from any level we're at right now, or we're close to right now, I don't think from there we can do that. I think we need to drop down a little bit lower towards some stronger levels historically, and then it gets more likely. But either way, I'll keep you updated on this. I'll monitor this, so keep your eyes on the channel if you're interested on that. For now, have a good week. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.